Yeah, well, if you have a watch party to get to for today, we do have to watch for some rain coming in through the later parts of the afternoon into the evening. That flood risk is a level 2 out of 4 from the Weather Prediction Center today. Same with tomorrow, and then it moves a little bit farther to the south on Tuesday. It's a level 1 out of 4 for areas east of I-35, but this is due to a very slow moving cold front that is to the north of us right now. It's pushing storms across the Red River. You can see the outflow from that. That's the winds on the leading edge. The front is right behind that. That energy does make it to us by later tonight, so that's something to watch. Down to the south, we have tropical moisture, and that's what's bringing some little showers in our area this morning. They've been very hit or miss. Not everybody's seeing moisture, and if you do, it's pretty light, but we do have to watch for that surge of moisture that's already been kicking up. It looks like it clears out through about midday, which is very typical of a tropical environment. You'll see morning shower activity, drier conditions through the middle parts of the day. And then when we get the daytime heating, we have to start watching for those downpours, some storms. We could have a lightning, gusty winds, nothing severe, but you could still have a strong thunderstorm nonetheless. So watching for that along with the pockets of heavy rain. Then here comes the energy from those storms that are along the Red River to the north of us right now. Those drop to the south and it interacts with our very moist tropical air mass. We have that heat from the day. This is 9 o'clock. We're seeing strong storm activity, and that pushes to the south through midnight. It's in the Austin area, and then we'll be in our southern counties overnight around 4 o'clock. We do see a break up tomorrow morning, starting off with showers. There's really not a ton of dry times on Monday. Will be shower activity early on, and then we'll see some storms popping up later in the day because the front is in our area, so it's slowly moving through. That will provide lift, and we don't really see that change until it moves south of us, but I still don't think it will fully move through even Tuesday. We'll have to watch for some rain. Overall, we'll see about 1/4 of an inch to 1.25 inches for the hill country, rain total wise, 1 to 2 inches east of I-35, but isolated spots of 2 to 4 inches are possible really anywhere that a stronger storm sets up. We could even see higher totals than that. So that's why we really want to make sure that you are paying attention, especially with an overnight storm threat tonight into tomorrow morning. If you live in a flood-prone area, you want to make sure you have those alerts turned on. A little bit drier through the middle parts of the week, but then we'll see some moisture coming back Thursday and Friday. That's because of this area of low pressure that's over eastern Mexico. It lifts into the northwest Gulf along with that cold front, which will pool all that moisture there over the warm sea surface temperatures. And we could see some formation. Right now, the National Hurricane Center has it at a low chance, but some of our reliable models have a surface low at the very least trying to form there. So that could bring additional heavy rainfall, but primarily to places east of us. What we could see is a little surge of tropical moisture there Thursday and Friday. So that's something that we'll watch for in the long range. But right now, focused in on the flood threat tonight and tomorrow.